We will be discussing in detail the best 3D scanner for 3D printing available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best 3D scanner for 3D printing, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents top 5 best 3D scanner for 3D printing. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Einscan Pro HD Handheld 3D Scanner. If you are searching for a 3D scanner for 3D printing, the Einscan Pro HD Handheld 3D Scanner review on our list is ideal for you. Impressive high resolution for fine details, it brings high resolution and accuracy in handheld HD scanning with 0.2 mm minimum point distance. Easy to catch fine details without markers. Handle dark or casting metal surface with less limitations. Supports 4 scanning modes with various optional accessories. Number 4. New Einscan SP Desktop 3D Scanner. High accuracy certified through serious accuracy calibration process. Faster scanning speed, make high-resolution 3D modeling accessible to professional users, meet your demands for high-quality 3D modeling of reverse engineering and design. Better transition and reuse from 2D to 3D. Auto-meshing to watertight 3D data. Seamlessly connect to 3D printers. One-click scanning. Automatic calibration with no rigid setup required. Number 3. Matter and Form MFS 1v2 3D Scanner. Designed in Canada to transform beginners to professionals. The Matter and Form V2 3D Scanner Plus Quick Scan is the next evolution of desktop 3D scanning. Equipped with Matter and Form Plus Quick Scan software, the V2 allows you to get complete geometry in as little as 65 seconds. The perfect 3D printing companion. The V2 is designed to integrate seamlessly into your workflow. Number 2. He3D DIY 3D Scanner. More than 500 5-star reviews praise the Epson Workforce DS30 business card for its portability. Totally open source 3D scanner for 3D printing, free to get the software. Generally, after you place order, we will send you detailed instruction and software by Amazon buyer messages. Also, we provide after-sale service there. Easy to assemble and use. Full kits, it include all the parts for the scanner. Upgrade to new integrated motherboard. Number 1. Revopoint POP 3D Scanner. The highest single-frame accuracy can reach 0.3 mm. This device supports both high-precision and texture scanning modes, which allows you to directly generate vivid 3D models for color 3D printing. Equipped with scan software. POP Scanner allows you free scanning, fixed scanning, and human scanning, indoor or outdoor scanning. If you are not skillful enough yet, you can also enjoy 3D scanning by just watching it done automatically, with the help of a turntable.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.